Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to generate daily schedules automatically in Notion. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to generate daily schedules automatically in Motion, all you gotta do is simply go in Motion. Once you're in your Motion, you need to simply first, connect your calendars and set your availability in settings. Then you need to input tasks with estimated durations, priorities, and deadlines, ensuring the auto schedule toggle is on. Motion's AI will then fit these tasks into your free time, dynamically rescheduling as new meetings or tasks arise, and you can create recurring tasks for routines using templates for consistent daily blocks like work hours or meetings. So this is how you can generate daily schedules automatically in Motion. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.